I'm Sean League with I Squared Engineering, and today I'm going to go over iGAGING's 3-point internal micrometer. And this is basically a replacement for a bore gauge. Yeah, pretty cool instrument. It is very accurate for measuring bore holes, and so it actually comes with a ring gauge to calibrate. This one happens to be, you can see on the top there, it says 0.6299 inches. So that's the exact diameter internally there, and that's what you use to calibrate the actual gauge here. So if we want to calibrate that, how you do that is on the there's 3 buttons here. So hold the red button down until it starts to flash. Okay, and then to move to the next one, so we want to put it at 0.622. So I hit this button again, and that moves to the next spot there. And then I can go up or down by pushing these 2 buttons. So I'm going to set that to 6. Oh, sorry. Actually, that's 0. So we want to set that to 0, and then we go to the next one to set to 6. So you see that point. There, 0.6, and then go to the next field, and it said 6299. So we want to set this to 2. Okay, go to the next one. Now it is a 9, and I'll change that to a 9. Okay, and then I hold the red button down. Okay, so now I've set that so that when I actually set it in the ring gauge, and then I click this button, which will zero it out, it'll zero out to the ring gauge's dimension. So I'll show you right now. So I put that into the ring gauge, like so, and then rotate the knobs here until you're all the way out, and it will click once it reaches the maximum size, so that way you know you're done. Okay, and so now I have it set. See, it says 0.7879 there. So now I hold the calibration button down, or sorry, this is set 0 button down, and it will reset to the 0.6299. Okay, so now you can see that, after I've pushed the gray button and held it down, if you just hold it down for a second, it's going to change it from metric to English and back and forth. But if you hold it down for more than a second, it'll actually then set that as the 0 point, which is the calibration we set earlier. Now, I can't just pull this out of the ring gauge. I have to release some tension, but I want to keep my number. So what you can do is use the yellow button here. That's a hold. And when you press that, it will actually hold this even though I turn the knob. So I can still look at my measurement without affecting it. So that's that hold button. Then once you're done, you can release the hold, and now it'll move again. Okay, and now you've calibrated the instrument, and you can use it to measure any hole from 0.472 inches to 0.630 inches. And that's just for this one. They actually make the 3-point internal micrometers all the way from 1/4 inch up to 4 inches in diameter, which is the same as about 6 millimeters up to 101 millimeters or so. So, and it does have the capability of putting the data out to a computer via the cord here. The cord plugs into the top. I'll have to release that first. So in the top there, just pull this back. Takes me a second. Okay. And then you can plug in your cord and put the data to a computer. So you just plug that cord in there. Snaps in. And then you can see here on my screen, when I push this orange button, the data shows up on the screen. Okay. And if you don't want to use wired, they also have a wireless version and a Bluetooth version. So that's also a possibility. And if you are in a situation where this barrel is not long enough, they do offer extensions as well. So And that's about it. Really good product. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.